Wait,
what's my clearance?
Are you ready? I don't know. Am I? Wait, we're gonna race. Ready?
Oh hell yeah!
Set, go.
Oh shit! You're fucking on it, dude. She's a winner right there, dog.
How are you running?
Yeah.
I can't even see. Dude, what? Are you ready? A tug. I won. Yeah, this alien slow as shit. What planet are y'all from? Don't let me get run over. All right.
Find your thumbs, dude.
Bye. Yeah. All right, I want a belly bump. Ready? Can I vape in here? This alien's got bad habits. Let's get a seat over here. I'm kind of getting hot. Am I taking my clothes off? Yeah. Don't even tell me you're going to take this alien off right now. Are you telling me that? No. Okay, let's get a pick over about these planets. I'm going to call you Rosie.
Look into space.
I'm doing some stretches.
Okay.
Oh, you may be abducted.
Oh,
Oh my god, this is like do a cartwheel on your alien. I'm getting hot as shit in here.
What are you doing in there, dude?
Trying to take off my jacket.
Why are you shrinking? Why are you shrinking?
Mars. Welcome to Mars. Hello. Good touchdown. 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 Welcome to planet Mars. Oh,
Yeah.
Did you see my cool move I just did? Yeah. Yeah, I did. How did you do that? Special alien move. I learned it.
Where are you going? Which way are you going?
I don't know. I can't see shit. I can't even see the ground. How am I going to do a cartwheel if I can't touch the ground? I can see perfectly fine. You got it. Bend lower. You got it, babe. You got to get real low. I don't think I can touch the ground. Just lean into it. Watch me. But I can't touch the ground. But I can't. I'm touching it. I can't see the ground.
This is so good. Hell yeah.
Fucking alien's fucking right now. What are you doing? Give me a little. Hey, I need help. I think I'm gonna chase people.
What?
Yeah, I'm gonna chase the guy.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna like suffocate in here, am I though? Wait, where's my oxygen?
We don't know that yet. It's an experiment, miss.
No, I don't want to be the experiment. I need some air.
Damn, kid.
I need some oxygen.
Oh shit.
I don't know. I don't want to know. What's happening? Zip that back up. I need my flippers. I need my flippers. Come on, you guys. Fluff me up. Am I getting fluffier?
Yeah.
Oh, you look great. Okay. You look great.
Welcome to Burningman birthday.
What?
Welcome to Burningman birthday.
I'm a sponge. Crazy motherfucker.
What's happening? What?
I don't know. There you go. What are my feet on?
Slowly now.
Slow,
I'm
slow.
really scared.
Slowly, slowly.
Can we just do like a pop our heads out? Can we pop our heads out for the bike ride? No, dude. I'm not popping. You pop yours out. But I feel like I'm being suffocated. How? Hold on to my body. I can't. I literally can't. Okay, Josh, wrap a bungee cord around me, then she can hold on to that. I feel like I'm gonna suffocate. Oh my god, babe. Come on. I can't do it.
You can.
Ah!
Oh shit, I need my bike too. Oh, don't go too fast. Oh shit.
You need to ride your own bike though.
Yeah, ride your own bike.
It's easier than it looks. It's easier than it looks. I don't think I can ride a bike with you. Get your shit together. I have faith in you. Get on that bike. This is so hard.
You're doing so good.
This is so hard.
You're doing so good though. Hell yeah.
Mama, can I just go? Can I just?
No.
Do not say take your alien off.
No. No, that's too hot. That's too sexy. You can't do that. You gotta go alien.
Is your alien on?
No.
I'm your booger. What? Don't lose my phone.
Oh hell yes.
I feel like a Teletubby. Playa Boogers.
Yeah.